Madeline Zook, broker owner of Sierra Nevada Real Estate in Reno, Nevada. And we manage properties here in northern Nevada, mostly Reno and Sparks. We're also a full-service real estate brokerage, and we buy and sell properties. So what we're going to talk about today is how to select a great rental property. So first off, let's just start from the very beginning. Why would you invest in real estate at all? Well, throughout history, owning property has always been a secure source of wealth. The trick is to acquire the right property at the right price at the right terms. So, should we go commercial or residential? A good friend of mine pointed out to me that people always need a place to live, whether it's good times or bad. Commercial properties are good in good times, but recent events have shown that bad times can be miserable, and the effects linger for years and years. Residential rentals have been far more stable and rentable. We have a 0% vacancy rate, which is certainly not true for a commercial sector. So what type of residential property? Many people think that a multifamily is a better deal because they will always have some cash flow, even if some of the units are vacant. The problem in this area with multifamily is that much of the multifamily housing is old and not in the best of neighborhoods. Therefore, unit rents are low, and tenants are not the most desirable. The biggest leverage of cash flow is keeping repair bills low. And that will not be the case with old housing occupied by less than desirable tenants in rundown neighborhoods. Single-family properties are what we recommend, and it can be either homes or condo townhomes. We specialize in single-family homes in our business. The most important factor in selecting a great rental is this: it's not going to be the house you live in. It's often very hard for investors to look at a home which they would never dream of living in and realize that someone else will love this property. This is the biggest hurdle I face in my business from investors. This is a home you will never live in, one you are buying to make money off of. It doesn't mean it's an utter dump, but it doesn't need to be as attractive as your own home, and it shouldn't be compared to a home you would buy. It's probably smaller, has less goodies like Formica instead of granite countertops, and is more of a plain vanilla home. The important thing is that it has the other desirable attributes that will keep it occupied year after year with tenants who love it and care for it. The best rental candidates are newer homes in good locations zoned for desirable schools. The property can be within a homeowners association or not. Homeowners associations do have beneficial effects on the neighborhoods. No weeds, no abandoned cars, no wild paint colors, well-kept home. But the cost is that the tenants need to follow all the rules of the association, and if they don't, you as owner will ultimately be responsible for violations, and you will be responsible for paying whatever monthly fees are charged on your property. But most homeowner fees for single-family homes are modest in this area. Homes built within the last 20 years are the best candidates for a good rental. Newer construction is appealing to a wider range of tenants with open floor plans, large kitchens, and workspaces. Newer construction has the benefit of lower utility bills, which means that the property can rent for more money. Newer homes need fewer repairs and less expensive repairs than older homes. All of these attributes lead to larger cash flow and lower vacancies.